The Anthropocene defines Earth's most recent geologic time period as being human-influenced, or anthropogenic, based on overwhelming global evidence that atmospheric, geologic, hydrologic, biospheric and other Earth system processes are now altered by humans. Human activity has fundamentally changed our planet. In this period, human effect and human influence on the planet is so profound and even terrifying. We directly affected at least 83% of the planet's viable land surface. Our influence has impacted everything from the makeup of ecosystems to the geochemistry of Earth, including the ocean, the forests, and the animals. Overpopulation is one of the most intractable problems due to the effects of the Anthropocene. Revolutions like medical, technological, agricultural, financial, transport and demographical in nature are making the whole world even more overloaded. The extremely fast-growing rate of the population starts to cause resource depletion, the dearth of Earth's surface and plenty of different kinds of pollution. The population of Earth is growing at an unbelievable high rate, resulting in a series of problems such as overconsumption of resources, climate change, pollutions, and lack of spaces for Earth's surface. The global population keeps growing at a faster rate because of the effects of the Anthropocene, which would cause problems to make the Earth overloaded. Because of the intractable problems of overcrowding and resource depletion, cities become not just unable to accommodate more population but also have trouble to build data centers to house computer systems and to store information from all over the world. So why is the data center so important? Data centers are very important to humans because most of the things in every segment of human activity, such as energy, lighting, telecommunications, internet, transport, urban traffic, banks, security systems, public health, entertainment, and even our physical integrity are controlled by data centers. Therefore, people start to consider bringing their living quarters upward into the sky, and begin to build data centers upward to store information above the city to avoid the crowding.
Because of the overpopulation problem and the dearth of Earth's surface, the high-tech team from all over the world comes up with a thesis for the solution of the issue. This thesis explores that the ability of AI and autonomous machines to perform tasks like human in a persistent and self-analytical way starts to take the place of finishing onerous works due to the capacity to handle massive information. Thus, AI and autonomous machines can be utilized in solving the problem by helping humans moving their computer systems and data information upward because of overcrowding and the dearth of data centers. In this case, the project called the Flying Neurons is proposed for the thesis.
The flying quarter, named the Flying Neurons, is powered by giant engines, and it floats above the city with giant cables and huge tubes connected to other parts of the city underneath. The cables are movable in order to connect different portions of the buildings. The only way that people in the city underneath can have access to the data centers is to connect to one of these flying neurons. The idea of this is like neurons send out and receive information from different parts of the human body. The inside of the flying neuron is a small city and society which has different kinds of infrastructure and programs that are controlled by the data centers. A group of people will be sent to these neurons as staff to operate and control the whole system. At the same time, they will live there forever and never come down to the city underneath.